Welcome to our channel 1 to Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Credit One account. It's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, hit that subscribe to our channel 1 to Step. Let's move on. First step, search for Credit One login just like this. And the first option over here where it says Credit One Bank Sign In, click on it. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the official website of Credit One Bank, which is going to look just like this. Wait for some time until the page loads up completely. Once the page loads up like this, you want to click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Once you do that, it's going to take you to the login page or the sign in page of Credit One. Once you're in the login page, you need to enter your information like your card information and all the other stuff it asks. After you enter the correct information, you should be able to log in into your Credit One account. In my case, the website is facing some problem. That's why nothing is being displayed, but if you click on sign in, you should be able to log in into your account. So just follow the step which I showed you and enter the correct login information by coming in this page, and you should be able to log in into your Credit One account. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel 1 Step. I'll see you guys next time.